You happy? I'm going to try and film this intro whenever there are no cars on the street, because I just filmed an intro and realized that the noise of the cars is super loud in the video. So this is gonna be difficult. Car coming. So yeah, today I'm organizing and cleaning my balcony for the summer. It's one of my favorite places to sit after work with a cocktail, read a book on a Sunday morning. Last year I spent about 100 euros like doing it up, buying all the pots, car. So yeah, last year I spent like 100 euros kind of like buying loads of pots, planting loads of things, and a lot of it died because I wasn't really thinking about what can survive 8 hours a day in the sunlight on a south-facing balcony in the city centre. Sometimes it can get to like 40, 42 degrees out here, so now I've learned my lesson. I know what dies, I know what can survive, so this year it's going to be better. So what's the plan? Today is just cleaning, car, another car. Okay, and we've got a space. So today is just cleaning, organizing, emptying all the pots of the stuff that are dead, putting them aside, counting which ones I need to go buy for. I have 5 here that need to be potted. And yeah, I'm gonna film the whole thing because I think it would be fun to see a little before and after. Let's get started. The hair is up, working t-shirt on, Aperol Spritz, represent, gloves. We're ready, I think. First step is clean all the stuff that doesn't belong out here, like paint trays and watering cans. Anything that I can move out the way, I'll move out the way. Literally 10 minutes. The sweat is real. I changed my gloves because my other gloves had holes in them, getting like dirt in my fingernails. Okay, stage 2. I've emptied all the dead soil and I've kept any of the soil that seems like salvageable. Is that a word? I'm gonna give it a little sweep and then organize all the empty pot away from the full pots, and I'm gonna start like giving the pots that are like actually okay some fresh soil. Okay, I finished for like one day, I think. I'm gonna sweep everything up and then I have to go to work. I've only done half of the repotting and resoiling. I need to do the other half another day. Good morning. In a rare turn of events, Matteo has suggested that we go to the plant shop together to finish the balcony. He wants to buy tomatoes. Who's going to look after his tomatoes, I wonder? Me. I'm not going to pass up on a chance to do something that I really enjoy with him. We have 6 pots to fill and a new pot to buy for the tomatoes. My first bee. This, oh my god, that's a sunflower. That's the plan for today, but we have to get breakfast first because I'm really hungry. Good morning! What does it say?
Datterino arancio. Il datterino rosso.
You happy? So it's been a week since we done all the work on the balcony. It's been raining for a whole week. The weather is weird right now. It's like the wettest, greyest May I've ever had since I lived here. We planted everything, strawberries, herbs, basil, and all of our flowers and stuff. But right now I'm transferring these strawberry plants into bigger pots. They don't look very happy. So I'm gonna put them in a bigger pot so they've got more space to grow a lot bigger. Much happier, much bigger. Can you see this huge storm that's coming? That is angry. It's like 30 minutes later, even angrier.
not sure if you can see, but I'm quite literally in a mini jungle. The mini jungle that has become my balcony in the 4 weeks since I started filming this video. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. Everything is just massive. I'm actually scared. Like, I'm scared my balcony is gonna collapse with the weight of it. It's probably very unlikely. I look pretty rough because I just got back from my holiday in Isola d'Elba. It's now the 2nd week of June, and yeah, everything has just grown so much. I'm so thankful because when I was on holiday, Matteo's little brother Mamo stayed here for a week and watered all my plants, and if he hadn't, they all would have died. So happy that he did that. The tomatoes are absolutely insane. Isn't this the most perfect strawberry you've ever seen? So it's been about 2 months since I started planting everything on the balcony, and I would definitely say that everything is like fully grown now. Everything is thriving, everything is loving it out there. I've had to move a couple of things into the kitchen window because it was too hot for them, like strawberries. They were just like crisping up and dying. There are some bits that definitely are more like spring flowers because they are kind of struggling with the heat, and next year I know that I will just put them in spring and then cut them and take them out again. Like I'm really happy with it. It looks amazing. It's like my favorite place to sit in the whole apartment and read a book, have an aperitivo. Yeah, I can't sit there during the day though because it's too hot. The tomatoes are really growing so well, and today I'm going to make my first bruschetta. I'm really excited because the tomatoes are so sweet. Like, I don't know if it's a placebo with something that you grow yourself and you think it tastes better than stuff from the supermarket, but I honestly do believe these taste better than ones from the supermarket. Let's pick some tomatoes and make a bruschetta. Here goes.